Hello and welcome. Please like and subscribe. Okay, in this video I am going to show you how I made these drill gauges. If you look in the description below, I am going to include a link to the Mastercam file so you can actually make one of these gauges yourself. In this program there are 7 tool paths. If you look to the left, we started out by programming our base, which is the outside shape. I used a 1/8 carbide end mill to ramp. I built in safety zones for our screws, then added the engraving in a couple of different stages so I didn't hit the safety zones. Here's an example of cutting in action. Profile cut. One side is the exact same as the other side, so you have a side A and a side B. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget that below there's also a link where you can download the program and make one yourself.